Hey everyone, today I would like to show you a way to get extra character from the higher end of your bass. Let's listen to what we have for this demo. I'm gonna duplicate my bass track. I had an Elisa compressor on the original one, so I just duplicated that. I have it on an 8 millisecond attack and at a rate at 1.4 to 1, about 50 milliseconds of release. I'm gonna use EQ8 as a high pass filter and we'll set it to 220 Hertz. I will then use max bass. We'll set my frequency to 250 Hertz. We'll set my max bass dial to 6. And finally, I got AirEQ, which I am going to push around 3 dB. I'm going to solo it for you so you can hear what we're doing. Here is again before my processing. After. Let's listen to that within context. Here is again before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you guys think.